Hey, it's Don again with TelcoGuide. Today we're going to install a three-way for fiber management. So this allows you to, if you have two racks, one down each aisle, it allows you to get in, go from one side to the other. So we'll go ahead and mount this today. Basically, if you follow some of our other videos, we're going to be doing the same thing. We're going to use a coupler on each end of this and go ahead and get it installed. So we'll install the coupler on this piece here, on the other side. And we fasten these with these little thumb screws that go in to tighten this up. So they go in pretty quickly. So I usually spin the ones I need on the side I have up first. So again, this product is called TelcoGuide. This is something that we actually have manufactured and we distribute it to data centers around the country. So it's a high quality product. So we'll go ahead and get this piece started. Here we're going to go ahead and install this piece of three-way up here. See on this end I put the coupler on already. So we'll connect it back over to this horizontal, and it's just basically it's a pretty snug fit, so we basically do that. You can go back to using these thumb screws to tighten everything up. So tighten up, there'll be a total of 4 screws to each one of the couplers. So once we got that piece up, then we'll just move ahead and let's go ahead and we connect that to the other piece of horizontal coming out, and that you have a couple of thumb screws here to tighten down the horizontal piece from the bottom. Additional thumb screws here to hold the pieces together. And that completes how you would install a three-way piece. Of course, you would come off of here with another piece of horizontal and go to the other side of that, where the other racks are situated on the other side of the room. So this is how you install a three-way into our TelcoGuide system. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy. And thank you for watching this video. Hey, if you like what we see here, give us a like and subscribe for more videos like this on the links below. And feel free to check out TelcoGuide in depth on our website at www.telcoguide.com. Thanks, and see you next time.